Okay, y'all, I am making Philly Philly dogs. Okay, I saw it on the Pioneer Woman, but I'm gonna use the sausage that I have. My favorite kind of sausage, the country pleasing. I'm gonna probably like cut them in half, and somebody was already in this one. I told them not to mess with, but like I said, I'm gonna cut them in half, so it should be plenty. I just got some peppers and onion to blend. And it's done thawed up, so this is my ghee, which is clarified butter, and that's for my onions and peppers. And it's been sitting in my refrigerator. I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna use some of it for that. I'm doing loaded French fries, and this is the cheese for my sauce. And I'm gonna have sour cream cheese in it. Y'all gonna see how all this used. And I got some half and half, so. Okay, y'all, I am making Philly dogs. Okay, I saw it on the Pioneer Woman, but I'm gonna use the sausage that I have. My favorite kind of sausage, the country pleasing. I'm gonna probably like cut them in half, and somebody was already in this one. I told them not to mess with, but like I said, I'm gonna cut them in half, so it should be plenty. I just got some peppers and onion to blend. And it's done thawed up, so. This is my ghee, which is clarified butter, and that's for my onions and peppers. And it's been sitting in my refrigerator. I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna use some of it for that. I'm doing loaded French fries, and this is the cheese for my sauce. And I'm gonna have sour cream cheese in it. Y'all gonna see how all this used. And I got some half and half, so. Okay, I'm working on the loaded French fries. And I got my really big sheet pan here. And I put olive oil, some ranch, and just a little bit of salt on them. And I'm going to toss them all together. And I'm going to put them in the oven. I was going to use my air fryer, but it's kind of small. And I don't want to do like several batches of them. So I'm just going to spread them out evenly and toss them, all the seasoning and stuff together, and get them in the oven at about 350-ish, 375, something like that. Okay, y'all. Now, these are my sausages. And I'm not going to stand up here and fry sausage. I'm going to put them in the oven with the French fries. And they're going to get all crispy and everything. So, I cut them in half. It was, like I showed you before, it was a whole pack of these. And I had like one more in another pack because somebody had already opened them. And I figured that's about 2 sausages a piece. And I just kind of cut them where I thought the middle was. If it's not exactly even, that's okay. But I just kind of cut them where I thought the middle was. And they're going to be on the bun anyway. And those are the buns. And they're about to go in the oven. Okay. This is the clarified butter. Like I told you, I've never used it. I'm about to use it now to cook my peppers and onions. And I might add a little bit of olive oil in there. Don't mind that. Those earlier junk from breakfast. But I will be right back once I get the peppers going. As y'all can see, it's froze. So it's slowly thawing up. Are you recording? Okay. Buns. Easy. Spray butter. You see it? Spray butter. For the sometime. I come from a family that, no matter if you're hungry or not, there's food available. So people come in here, they don't have a lot of money. I want to make sure everybody gets home with full belly. Oh, my spray butter. With the hot chicken platter. The half chicken with 2 sides for just $12.50. My butter was acting ridiculous, but I did get just a little bit on all of them. That's okay because I just really want to toast it. It doesn't have to be buttery toasted. To me, I just wanted the hot dog buns a little bit toasted. And I'm about to put them in the oven for a second. And my french fries are done. They all crispy and brown. And I'm going to mix them up and we're going to load them up with cheese sauce and bacon bits and stuff like that. And my sausages are done, as you can see. Drop those down there. Get my sausages out, and I get my other meat. And make some room. My peppers and onions are at the back of the stove. And they finally thawed down. See if I can zoom in on those. So as you can see, they're at the back of the stove. And I'm going to take my french fries and move them. And I got clarified butter all over my stove. So here it is on mine. Move my onion. And I'm going to set my sausages back here. To the very back. Get a good look at them. I see, you see the little brown marks on them. That's because I kind of poked them a little bit just so they wouldn't explode or anything like that, which I don't think they would because I cut them anyway. But it's just to release more of that fat. And I'm going to get them off of this tray because I don't want them to sit in that fat. I'm going to toss the french fries together. And I'm going to get the toppings made because I got to make the cheese sauce mix. I'll be right back. Okay, so in here, I have some half and half. Because I didn't have any heavy cream. I don't know, I might have some milk in there, but it might be expired. I don't remember. But anyway, I just used half and half. And don't mind that. It's just peppers that came off of my spoon. If you see that, that just came from the peppers and onions. It's okay. That was for my cream cheese. I have cream cheese in here. I have queso in here, queso blanco. And I have some slices of provolone in here also. And like I said, this is the same spoon I had with my peppers and onions. I mean, it just still got a little pepper and onion on it, so it's fine. I'm just using it to break down. And I also have a little bitty block I had of Velveeta. Let me straighten it up because I don't know how this is going to turn out, how I'm recording it. But it's just, it'll be okay. It'll just be cheese sauce with a few peppers and onions in it. And it's going to be all on the dog and stuff anyway. And I mean, I know it looks watery right now, but you know, all the cheese hadn't melted and the cream cheese and everything. And I can always add some shredded cheese that I have or something if it is not thick enough for me. But for right now, it's okay. And as you can see, it's starting to melt. And that's all that's in here. Now, if you wanted to start a roux, or like a, not a roux, it's called, what is it, bechamel? I'm not probably not saying that right, but I know it's like with the milk and the flour, and then you add like your cheese sauce and stuff. I have done that before, but um, we're getting through this relatively quick. And like I said, everything else is already done. The buns are in the oven, and when all this melts down, I will be right back because I am going to assemble a plate of the French fries. And then we're gonna fix up a Philly dog. Or I just know it's like sausage and peppers. It's just got like the Philly cheesesteak sauce kind of vibe to it. Because you got the peppers and the onions. Because I saw a Pioneer Woman do it, and she had beef hot dogs. But I thought that the sausage and peppers with the cheese sauce would be really good. And then I was like, I can use this same cheese sauce and put it on the fries and put bacon bits and stuff on them. I mean, I doubt my kids, they're not going to eat sour cream on them or nothing like that on the French fries. I probably would, but I'm just going to put the cheese sauce and some bacon bits on there. I might get away with a little bit of green onion or something. A little bit of chive or something on them, but that's probably going to be it. And see that? It's almost done. We'll turn the tip down on it. Be right back. Okay, this I don't know if I showed it, is the provolone that I used. It's just the slice from Walmart. It's what they had that I put in here, and I put like, well, I'm sure you're gonna see the Velveeta and the queso blanco, and cream cheese, and I had like a little block of the regular Velveeta, and my cheese sauce is done. Oh, that looks good. Can you imagine that poured all over there? Well, we're about to hook that up right now. Okay, my quick version of loaded fries. Stirring it. Make sure I get that outside first. That's not enough cheese for me. I like cheese. I think everybody in my house do. Just want to make sure it's enough. You think that's enough? More. Think that's enough? Huh? Okay, so enough cheese. Justin says enough cheese. Okay. And now, while the cheese and stuff still all hot on there, I'm gonna put bacon bits. So it'll stick to the cheese and kind of stick to the French fry. And these just regular, let's say real bacon pieces. I like the real bacon pieces, not bacon bits. I like the real pieces. I get the other kind if I can, but you use what you got. And since I'm not extra enough, some dried chives. Just a little bit, because they might not like it like that. But it gives like a little bit of onion flavor. Okay. And there you have it. Quick, loaded french fries. And we'll be back with the sausage dog. I didn't get to show y'all, but these are the buns. They are golden brown. Okay, so I put my peppers on here. Put my sausage on here. As you can see, it like barely fits on here. And I'm about to add some cheese sauce to it. And we're gonna see. I'm no expert at this, but it looks really good to me. Okay, y'all. This is the finish Philly dog. That looks good, man. And you're just gonna make a mess of eating it.